Now wait, before you guys say anything, yes, the light shows that you guys are seeing right here are real, man. They run on solar power and there's 0 wires anywhere in this yard. These right here, y'all, are the brand new Linkind SP6 smart solar pathway lights. And trust me, man, these are not the boring little solar stakes that you guys find over at the dollar store. Nah, these things right here are on a whole different level. Stay with me, y'all, for the next 5 minutes and I'll break down every key feature so that way you know exactly if these are worth your hard-earned money. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so each 4-pack box here, man, comes with 4 SP6 light units, lampshades, 2-part plastic rods, ground states, a lens kit, and a user manual. 9-piece per light, man. I know that sounds like a lot, but trust me, man, it goes together fast, all right? Now, these lights here are built from high-impact ABS plastic. It feels solid. It's not cheap and like flimsy like a lot of those solar lights that are out there. The head unit is about 6 inches square, and the whole thing stands about 14 inches tall once they're actually staked into the ground. Now, the top here has a 1.8-watt solar panel, and flipping it over here, man, you guys will find 4 LEDs that are arranged in a grid, which is actually the SP6 most unusual and coolest feature at the same time. Now, there's also a USB-C port here on the side for wire charging. Now, when I first actually checked these here out, man, first impressions, these look premium, man. Way more premium than the price actually suggests, which we're gonna get to that a little later, all right? Now, setup here is genuinely easy, man. There's no tools needed. You just connect the plastic rod as well as the ground stake with a few simple clicks and then stake it right into the ground and you're good to go. Now, I'm gonna give you guys one pro tip here, man, and this is from experience. Pair the lights to the AI Dot app first before you fully assemble the lens holder onto the base. This is gonna save you a whole lot of time. Trust me, pair first, then assemble, all right? Now, I got 4 lights installed in under about 20 minutes. There's no wiring needed at all. Now, for first-time charge, right, you can either use the USB-C charge for them for a couple of hours, or you can just set them out in the sun for about 2 days. Me, personally, I like the free energy option, so, you know, shout out to the sun. Okay, y'all, this is the feature, man, that makes the SP6 here stand out from literally every other solar path light that is on the market. Now, each light here has 4 LED slots, and you get 5 different lens covers. Each one creates a totally different light pattern on the ground. And using the app here, you can select each individual bulb, which is gonna allow you to be able to switch to the different light patterns. You have the concentric circles, you have the shimmery ripples, a swirl effect, and more like what you guys are seeing right here, which is, again, so dope, man. And with 16 million RGBTW colors, that's red, that's green, that's blue, and tunable white from warm 2700 Kelvin all the way up to 6500 Kelvin. And you can create basically any vibe that you guys want. So using the app here, man, if you guys want the cozy warm vibe for like a dinner party, done. You want that spooky purple spirals for Halloween? Done. This is where the SP6 goes from being just a light to being a straight up yard decoration. Now, solar lights here, man, have one major problem, right? Cloudy days. We all have them, especially right now. In April, it is raining like crazy. But Linkind actually solved that problem, man. The SP6 uses high efficiency MPPT solar charging. That's maximum power point tracking, which squeezes every possible bit of energy out of the sun. Even on an overcast day, with the solar dot technology and 89.9% charging efficiency, you get up to 14 hours of continuous light on a full charge. So if you've ever had a stretch of cloudy weather, that's not an issue, man. Either there's a backup USB-C wire charging, so you never are left in the dark. The dual charging system is huge and something that most competitors out there just don't offer. Now, this next part, y'all, is that wow feature, all right? So download the free AI Dot app, and now you've got full control of your yard lighting from your phone. You get 43 presets, synchronized effects, DIY customizations, and even music sync where the lights literally pulse and flash to the beat of whatever you guys might have playing. Quick note I want to actually point out here, man, is your phone's microphone picks up the music. So just keep it nearby and in Bluetooth range and you're good to go. And on top of all of the other dope features, man, if you guys want Alexa or Google Assistant voice control, you just need Linkind's optional Bluetooth to Wi-Fi bridge, which runs about $40 and it connects up to 32 lights to your 2.4 gigahertz network. It's not required, but it is kind of cool to have, all right? Now, for my smart home people out here, man, this next one here is for you. You can manage up to 8 groups of 32 lights each. You can set dusk to dawn automations, you can create custom schedules, and you can control everything right from the app. So within the app, you guys can set up groups by clicking on the plus icon. Then here you can select add outdoor group or indoor group, depending on where you want the lights to be. And here you guys can name that group, and then you can add all of the lights that you guys want to be included within that group. And now you guys can select the light show presets like you guys are seeing right here. Then you can watch that group of lights change based on the presets that you select within the app. Now the SP6 here has 2 working modes. You have illuminance detection, which turns light on at dusk and off at dawn automatically, or you have light mode where you can actually set the schedule regardless of how dark it actually gets outside. Now the Bluetooth range also impressed me too when I was using this. Like, I was all the way at the back of the house and was able to control the lights without needing to step outside. For a solar light without Wi-Fi built in, that's honestly a bigger range than I actually expected. Now, last key feature here, man, and this one matters a lot for my outdoor lights. The SP6 is built with reinforced ABS housing and is rated IP67 waterproof, meaning it can handle heat, cold, wind, as well as rain. And these rate up for about 3 years of reliable outdoor use with no frequent replacements needed. For a solar light that stays outside year-round through all 4 seasons, that kind of durability, man, rating is exactly what you want to see. All right, now, the final verdict here, man, the Linkind SP6 Smart Solar Pathway lights run about $79.99 for a 4-pack on Amazon. And this is a huge discount, man. So this is going to run all the way into the end of May. So I would hurry up and scoop them up using the link that I have for you guys down below before they sell out, because I promise you they will definitely sell out. Now, is it worth it? If you guys want smart automation, a full light show, music sync, 16 million colors, and solar power with backup wired charging, these feel less like pathway markers and more like mini light shows. And yes, they are 100% worth the investment, all right? Major shout out, man, again to Linkind for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys are interested, man, I will definitely, again, have a direct link for you guys down in the description section below for you guys to be able to pick them up and just try it out for yourself. Otherwise, man, I'm CKid. I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad, we out.